These are all relatively quick. Like you were saying with tomatoes, by the time 4th of July comes, you're done. So this is a 5-month window.
It's a short season compared to our cool season. Believe it or not, here we are in the desert, and our cool season vegetable gardening season is longer than our warm season one, because our warm season gets too warm. I've learned to have to confess this to a couple of Southerners, but I never really cared for okra that much as a kid. My dad grew a lot of it. I didn't, but I've learned to like it. I think partly because it does so well in the heat. So one of the few things you can plant here and just all summer long pick okra. I mean, it never slows down. So,
you know what the hardest thing I have with okra? When you get it from the store and you have the pickled okra and they're the little bites. I never have little ones. Mine are always like 4 or 5
Oh, no,
times.
you got to pick every day, man. You got to get out there. If it's ready today, it's too big tomorrow.
Hey, that grows very aggressively.
I met a commercial okra grower at a trade show a couple of weeks ago, and I can't do it on air. I'll show you the little joke that they have when how they instruct their harvesters to pick okra. But if you don't stay on it, and they get big, they're too tight. You can't do it. I've tried. It's just like eating cardboard when they're that big.